hasn't been possible to film the generator going in. It was just too cramped in the engine room, and then today the owner turned up, and so it wasn't possible to get any footage then either. But what I'm in the process of doing is fitting a main isolator, cutout fuse and battery switch, which is here. I've made this plinth and varnished it. M8 bolts go through there. It's screwed together with stainless screws, and then this is 20mm acetal or Delrin, and that's about 50 quid's worth there. And then I've labelled the components. I've also put in a panel for the generator and routed cables from the engine room up to the bridge, which was quite an adventure. But I think now we're ready to put the seating back, and certainly ready to go and put that in, although we don't have the 25. The stupid thing is that the owner turned up this morning for trying to put cameras into the engine room, and announced that he's going to be here this evening to spend the night with his family on the boat and use her over the weekend, which was not part of the plan for the workshop. There's my tools, and here's the panel I've put in, and the cable routing, which goes from here down into the engine room, into the engine room. That's the cable route. Now eyes adjust to the dock in here. Ooh! I think we've got enough sockets in here to be getting on with. The varnish I really thinned down using glue thinners is nearly dry. It sinks into the wood. And now 8mm takes a 13mm spanner, doesn't it? Let's see if we've got 13mm in here. It's going to be 14, 15. There we go, there's a 13, and that goes on there. Oh, there's the generator. This is the inverter I've got to fit here, and hopefully this will just screw down all that. Oh shite, I don't think it will. Please go there. Yes. Yeah, I think you will, won't you? I think you will come onto there. I don't like how stiff this is. And I don't think it's cross-threaded.
If something goes wrong down here, it's a shower of water.
Okay. Alright.
That's alright to me.
Yeah.
You get a crimper, mate.
I've ordered one from Furno Ridal.
Good on.
Be here on Monday.
Yeah. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
I think Alan had one actually.
Alan?
Yeah.
Who's?
Alan that was here before.
No, I don't know who Alan is. Yeah, it's going to be a fuck of a pain in the arse now the generator's there to swap those bolts over.
Right, well, don't you mind, I've got all the tools here. I'll do it, mate, don't worry.
I'll go round there. I'll go round that end, shall I?
Yeah, if you like.
And here are the new ones.
Okay. If you want to carry on with what you're doing, mate,
I can't without the crimpers, so.
Oh, what a bitch.
Anyway, and I can't really do it with that thing in the way.
Oh no, that's got to be recited. That's our next plan, isn't it?
He didn't seem very keen on the reciting situation.
Okay.
Well, the owner, when I said, "Oh, that's not going back there," he seemed like, "Well, give her a ring because it can't go anywhere else."
Well, it's got to, you can't get the, where should you put the the best place for your inverter?
Next to this. So, can you tell me, when you read about the cutout fuse, did it have to be on the side of this?
Yeah,
from the isolator, or from the side of the battery?
The cutout fuse is a maximum of 12 inches from the positive battery post. That goes first. It mustn't be more than 12 inches from the battery post.
That's all right.
For the fuse.
It's
and
going
then
to be about.
The master switch was after that.
It's going to be about 15 inches.
Oh, that's all right. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. There we are, because I put it here.
Good.
You can see.
Whereabouts?
Here.
Oh yes, that's fine.
That's funny.
Well, you're half blind if that don't work, aren't
Hmm?
you? You're half blind if it don't work.
If it doesn't work.
If the furnace don't come on.
If the what doesn't work?
If the furnace, if the heater don't work.
Oh well.
Furnace.
Let him moan.
So you've got to send an email, what you do?
Yeah, I've got to tell Susan what I've done this week on this boat, because so that she can tell the owner. Because she says I keep saying wiring, but I don't know what else to say. I've done pretty well no wiring yet. Oh, I can't believe the government didn't stockpile Spitfires before this happened. What about fucking Spitfires? Oh, is the blackout for everyone? I object to the word blackout. I think it's racist.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I agree with that. It is racist. But sometimes. I'm not out here, I know. So this is how daft it can get. It's literally done the job twice.
Done the job twice. Yeah. Good. I'm going to go and build the saloon again.
We've got to take all the tools off if he's going to stay in,
I don't think so.
eh?
I'm not doing that. No.
We just don't want it to fall into there.
No, taking the tools off wasn't on the agenda. I'm taking some of mine off, but right. Okay. Let's see if we can put this back.
Oh, are you? Okay.
As we want to put this so it doesn't all open out. That's another rumour that they're moving, is there? They're not moving anywhere.
I was told by the person who's taking over your office.
Staying there.
Yeah.
He's just going to come and work for us.